it's Amber with WaveRes, and we're going to go over how to enable or disable a particular departure time from the matrix view. So once you're on the matrix view tab, you can see each time listed here. So we're going to go in here and disable, let's say the 3 p.m. for the pontoon rentals. So if we want to go ahead and disable that, we can click the slider here, and that is going to close the 3 p.m. and it will also make it disappear from the view for today. So as you can see, 3 is now gone. So that's how you disable a time for the day view. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and re-enable that time, you can show disabled schedules right here. And that's going to load all disabled schedules. We can go ahead and find that 3 p.m. that we disabled and go ahead and click the slider to re-enable it. And that will turn it back on for the time. Now this adjusts the availability for, or the option to be able to book at 3 p.m. for all equipment on that trip type.